Guava leaves.
Guava leaves come from the guava tree, Pisidium guajava, a tropical plant native to Central and South America. While the fruit is well known and consumed worldwide, the leaves are also used in traditional medicine and are being studied for their potential health benefits.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get more new videos.
Traditional and modern uses. Guava leaves have been used for centuries in various cultures as a natural remedy. Some of the most common applications include digestive health. Guava leaf tea is a popular remedy for diarrhea and other stomach issues. The leaves contain compounds that may have antimicrobial and antispasmodic properties, helping to reduce the intensity and duration of digestive ailments. Blood sugar management. Guava leaf extract has been studied for its potential to help control blood sugar levels. Research suggests that certain compounds in the leaves can inhibit enzymes that break down carbohydrates into glucose, which may help prevent spikes in blood sugar after meals. This makes them of interest to people with diabetes or prediabetes.
Pain relief. Guava leaf extract may help alleviate pain, particularly menstrual cramps. Some studies have shown it can reduce the intensity of cramps and other symptoms of dysmenorrhea. Oral health. The antibacterial properties of guava leaves may be beneficial for oral hygiene. Chewing on fresh leaves or using a guava leaf mouthwash is traditionally used to combat toothaches, gum inflammation, and bad breath.
Wound healing and skincare. When applied topically, a paste made from crushed guava leaves is used to help heal wounds, soothe skin irritations, and treat conditions like acne due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Hair care. Guava leaves are also used in hair care, with infusions believed to strengthen hair roots and reduce hair loss. Nutritional profile and active compounds. Guava leaves are a source of various beneficial compounds, including antioxidants. The leaves are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins, which help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals.
Vitamins and minerals. They contain vitamins such as vitamin A and vitamin C, which are important for immune function, vision, and skin health. Polyphenols. These compounds are thought to contribute to the anti-diabetic and anti-inflammatory effects of guava leaves.
How to use guava leaves. The most common way to use guava leaves is by making a tea or decoction. Guava leaf tea. Boil a handful of fresh or dried guava leaves in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the liquid and drink it warm. You can add honey or lemon for flavor. Topical application. Crush the fresh leaves to create a paste and apply it directly to the affected skin area. Important considerations. While guava leaves have a long history of traditional use and promising research, it's important to note a few things. Scientific evidence. Many of the claimed benefits are based on traditional use, animal studies, or early human trials. More extensive clinical research is needed to definitively confirm the efficacy and safety for all medical conditions. Side effects. Guava leaf extract is generally considered safe for short-term use, but it may cause temporary side effects like nausea or stomach pain in some people. Consult a healthcare professional. If you are considering using guava leaves for a specific health condition, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication, it is crucial to consult with a doctor or a qualified healthcare professional first. This is particularly important for conditions like diabetes, as guava leaves may interfere with blood sugar control or interact with medications.
How to make guava leaf tea and the best time to drink. Making guava leaf tea is a simple and effective way to get the benefits of the leaves. The tea has a mild, earthy, and slightly bitter taste. How to make guava leaf tea. You can use either fresh or dried guava leaves. Ingredients: 4 to 5 fresh guava leaves, or about 1.5 cups of dried leaves, 2 cups of water, optional, honey, lemon, or other herbs like mint for flavor. Instructions: wash the leaves. Thoroughly rinse the guava leaves under running water to remove any dirt or debris. Boil the water. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the leaves. Once the water is boiling, add the clean leaves to the pot. Simmer. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let the mixture cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the beneficial compounds to be released into the water.
Steep. Turn off the heat and let the tea steep for another 5 minutes. Strain and serve. Strain the leaves from the liquid and pour the tea into a cup. You can enjoy it warm or let it cool and pour it over ice. Note: leaving the leaves in for too long can make the tea more astringent and bitter. You can adjust the number of leaves and the simmering time to find a taste that you prefer.
Best time to drink guava leaf tea. There is no single best time to drink guava leaf tea, as the ideal time depends on the specific benefit you are looking for. It is a caffeine-free beverage, so it can be enjoyed at any time of day. Here are some recommendations based on different uses. For blood sugar control. If your goal is to help manage blood sugar levels, it is often recommended to drink guava leaf tea with or just after a meal. Some research suggests that the compounds in the leaves may inhibit the enzymes that convert carbohydrates into glucose, which can help prevent a sharp spike in blood sugar following a meal. For digestive health, if you are experiencing digestive issues like diarrhea, indigestion, or bloating, drinking a cup of guava leaf tea about 30 minutes after a meal may help. The tea's properties can soothe the stomach and support healthy digestion. For general wellness. For a general health boost, you can drink a cup of guava leaf tea in the morning as part of your daily routine. This can provide you with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds to start your day. Important considerations. Start slowly. If you are new to guava leaf tea, start with 1 cup a day to see how your body reacts. Consistency is key. For long-term benefits, such as blood sugar management, consistency is more important than the exact time of day. Consult a professional. If you're using the tea for a specific medical condition, particularly diabetes, it is essential to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide guidance on the best time and frequency of consumption and ensure it won't interfere with your current medications or health plan.
Guava tea can mix with other tea or not. Yes, you can absolutely mix guava leaf tea with other teas and herbs. In fact, this is a popular way to enhance both the flavor and the potential health benefits of the drink. Guava leaf tea has an earthy, herbaceous, and slightly bitter taste, which pairs well with a variety of other flavors. Here are some common and effective combinations. With black tea. Mixing guava leaves with black tea can create a robust and flavorful beverage. Black tea's bold tannic notes can complement the subtle herbal character of the guava leaves. This combination is often enjoyed iced and sweetened and is sometimes used to create a refreshing iced guava black tea similar to those found in coffee shops. With green tea, this is a very common blend. The earthy, sometimes grassy flavor of green tea pairs well with the herbal taste of guava leaves. Both green tea and guava leaves are rich in antioxidants, so combining them can create a potent, health-boosting drink.
With white tea has a very delicate and mild flavor. Blending it with guava leaves can create a light, subtly fruity and floral tea. This combination is often a good choice for those who prefer a less intense taste. With ginger, adding fresh or dried ginger to guava leaf tea is a great way to introduce a spicy, warming element. This combination is particularly popular for its potential to aid in digestion and boost the immune system. With mint leaves can add a refreshing, cooling sensation that balances the earthy flavor of guava tea. This is especially good for a cold or iced tea. With citrus fruits, adding a squeeze of lemon or lime, or even a few slices, can brighten up the tea with a tangy and refreshing flavor. Citrus also adds a boost of vitamin C, which can complement the antioxidants in the guava leaves. With cinnamon, a cinnamon stick can add a warm, spicy sweet aroma and flavor to your guava tea. When mixing, you can either brew the ingredients together, or you can brew them separately and then combine them. The key is to experiment with proportions until you find the flavor profile that you enjoy.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.